1. The Indus Valley Civilization, one of the world's oldest urban civilizations, flourished around 2500 BCE in what is now Pakistan and northwest India. 2. Ashoka the Great, an Indian emperor of the Maurya dynasty, ruled much of the Indian subcontinent from 268 to 232 BC. He is known for his conversion to Buddhism and his efforts to spread the religion. 3. The Gupta Empire, from around 320 to 550 CE, is known as the Golden Age of India, marked by significant advancements in science, mathematics, astronomy, and art. 4. The Mughal Empire, established in 1526 by Babur, lasted for over 3 centuries and left a lasting impact on Indian culture, architecture, and politics. 5. The Indian Rebellion of 1857, also known as the First War of Indian Independence, was a significant uprising against British rule in India, although it ultimately failed. 6. Mohandas Gandhi, known as the father of the Indian independence movement, led non-violent protests and civil disobedience campaigns against British rule in the early to mid-20th century. 7. India gained independence from British rule on 15 August 1947, after a long struggle for freedom led by various leaders and movements. 8. The partition of British India in 1947 resulted in the creation of 2 independent nations, India and Pakistan, along religious lines, leading to widespread violence and displacement. 9. India became a republic on 26 January 1950 with the adoption of its constitution, which remains the guiding document of the nation. 10. India and Pakistan have engaged in several conflicts since their independence, including wars over the disputed region of Kashmir. 11. The Indian Rebellion of 1857, also known as the First War of Independence, was a major uprising against British rule in India. 12. Mahatma Gandhi led the Salt March in 1930 as a protest against the British salt monopoly, becoming a pivotal moment in India's struggle for independence. 13. The partition of India in 1947 led to the creation of 2 independent nations, India and Pakistan, resulting in widespread violence and displacement. 14. The Battle of Plassey in 1757 marked the beginning of British colonial rule in India after the British East India Company defeated the Nawab of Bengal. 15. The Harappan civilization, one of the world's oldest urban civilizations, flourished in the Indus Valley around 2500 BCE before mysteriously declining around 1900 BCE. 16. The Great Wall of China was built over several centuries to protect against invasions from northern tribes. 17. The Egyptian pyramids were constructed as tombs for pharaohs and are marvels of ancient engineering. 18. The Roman Empire reached its peak in the 2nd century AD, controlling vast territories across Europe, Africa, and Asia. 19. The French Revolution of 1789 led to the overthrow of the monarchy and the rise of the First French Republic. 20. The Industrial Revolution began in Britain in the late 18th century, transforming society with mechanized production and urbanization. 21. The French Revolution began in 1789, leading to the overthrow of the monarchy and the rise of Napoleon Bonaparte. 22. The Industrial Revolution, starting in Britain around the late 18th century, transformed economies and societies worldwide through mechanization and urbanization. 23. The American Civil War occurred from 1861 to 1865, resulting in the abolition of slavery in the United States. 24. Mahatma Gandhi led India's non-violent independence movement against British colonial rule, culminating in India's independence in 1947. 25. World War II, lasting from 1939 to 1945, saw widespread destruction and the Holocaust, resulting in the formation of the United Nations. 26. The Cold War, a geopolitical tension between the Soviet Union and the United States, shaped global politics from the late 1940s to the early 1990s. 27. The civil rights movement in the United States during the 1950s and 1960s fought against racial segregation and discrimination, leading to legislative changes. 28. The fall of the Berlin Wall in 1989 symbolized the end of the Cold War and the reunification of East and West Germany. 29. The 9/11 terrorist attacks in 2001 transformed global security policies and led to the War on Terror. 30. The Arab Spring, starting in 2010, saw popular uprisings and protests across the Middle East and North Africa against authoritarian regimes.